Hey, welcome in to Music City Trader. This is day number, let's see what we're on here. We are on day number 90. Day number 90, guys. And we're doing really good. I just won my first trade on day number 90 here. It was really close. It was up on this level and I won that trade. So that's I'm in on one trade. My microphone was off while I was talking to you. I was thinking. So now I think it's going to go down all the way down here. It's going to hit this line, bounce off. So I'm waiting for this level to hit. I'm going to go look at some other positions. Yeah, this one's interesting because I think in the 10-minute, I think it's going to bounce down there. But it's been bouncing up and down. I'm waiting for this to get down here, basically. I'm waiting for this to break below there. So I'm going to set the alarm there. If this breaks down all the way down there, I think I'll wait till it gets to this level here. What I think is going to happen is I think it's going to hit this level and then I think it's going to bounce back up, So what I think is going to happen, and I'm putting these on here because partly for the podcast, but I think it's going to go down there and I think it's going to bounce off. So that's what I think. I partly put that on there for the podcast. I partly put it on there for me, just for me to have, just for me so I can see, am I thinking correctly? Because if I look over here, that's what I think is going to happen is it's going to go down to this bigger line down here. If I look at it in one, that'll give a better view. Yep, there you go. I think it's going to meander its way down. It's probably going to break this level. So, if it breaks this level, then I could put it. Same with this. It's just consolidating here, so it's not really doing anything. I'm going to go look for some RSI touches. I'm going to go look for some RSI touches that look like anything. I don't know. Today's sort of a weird day. Like, look at this 30-second candle. It broke way down, then broke way up. I'm not sure about that. Oh, wow. Look, okay. I just don't know if it's going to be able to break all the way up there. Maybe it will. It broke up there one time. If it reaches up there and touches that 30-second line, I'll probably take a call or put. Sorry, if it reaches up here. It's a pretty good line of, but it kind of already did that. See, it reached up, boom, then it jumped back down. So I'm not sure if it's going to do it again. We'll watch this one for a minute. I've identified a pretty strong level here, at least in the 30-second, and I think this could go back up and touch, I'd like to see it just shoot way up there. If it gives me a big shoot up, then I think it could win. Sometimes when it plays too much and then it shoots, when it climbs up to where I think it's going to shoot, then it just breaks above. But we're already in the money by one trade. Okay, I'm going to watch this. This looks like it could be a sell, but I don't want to sell too soon because it's fighting up and it's there it goes back down. So this worries me because it spent too much time here. So if it reaches up there, it's got to reach up there in a certain way. It's kind of scary. I'm going to keep watching this, though, because watching sometimes gives me an idea. The internal pressure of this, looking at the 10-minute. Yeah, this bounced off there. This could go up. This could break up over this. It hasn't done it very much. Yeah, it's winding up in the 10-second. Yeah, it's winding up in the 10-second. Let's see if it, I'm going to go ahead and take it there. Now that was a 10-second wind up, but it's at a level that it's been having a hard time getting above, so it kind of wound. This is a little scary right here because it kind of went up to that level, then it wound up and then it pushed high, but that's okay if it messes around up here a little bit, but I don't want it to go too crazy. 30 seconds looks a little weird too because that was a nice push. That was a nice push. If I look at it in 10 minutes, it has some, this has some 10-minute level to it. This has some 10-minute level because It kind of hit here in 10 minutes, kind of went up, hit there. It broke there one time, went back down, hit there again in 10 minutes, and now it's rejecting off there pretty steadily in 10 minutes. Looks like it could go either way. Hopefully it doesn't break above. Let's see what time we got. 58. Okay, so we got a full minute here. Let's look at it in 1 minute and see what happens in 1 minute. Oh, in 1 minute, looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like it went up there. It's kind of consolidating. What I want it to do right now, what I really want it to do is I want it to go ahead and take off. I don't want it to keep playing breakaway there. We got only 30 seconds left. I want it to get a little bit of a down push right here. That's what I thought it was going to do from here. It was going to go back down. But it looks like it's got 22 seconds. It's got definitely up pressure. Man, it could lose because it's just stuck up there unless it goes down in 15 seconds. My trade was a little too early. 7, 6. Let's see if it breaks down. 5, 4. It could. It still could. 3, 2. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I got excited. Oh, that was so good. It broke on that line. Look at that, just playing on that line. I don't know what it's going to do now. Two really close wins. My first win was really good as well. It was like close like that. Oh, look, now it's going down. Now it's actually going down. What I think it's going to do is head back down there. Now I don't know though because it kind of played around in this area, so I'm not going to do another one. I'm finding some decent moments. I found 2 decent moments today. 1526. So I've won 2 trades in this session. 1526. Let's see where I'm at. 1.81%. I'm going to go for one more trade. Now, I'm not really sure what this does. To me, it's not going to break, but I mean, it could, because look how it's been going up from this bottom. You know, it's been going up from this bottom. So is it a real turnaround, or is it just it went up there a little higher, went up there a little higher? I think if it gets down to this level down here, then I could definitely see it going higher again. So if it gets down to, you know, like about the white line, I think I could call it. That's in the 1 minute. Let's look at what it's doing in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, it looks a little further away from the line. It looks a little bit more like this, you know, like it is going to break. It pushed down here before. It could push down there again. It's trying to break this, but you know, will it break it and just go crazy, or will it go ahead and continue back down? In the 30 second, it's sort of been going up. These are just areas where you don't know if it's going to stop, but it did go higher here. Then it went higher here. You know, kind of went higher there. You know, it's at this spot now where it just doesn't know. But this one's breaking a level that we think it's going to break. Oh wow, look at that one. Okay, it did. Wow, look, it got all the way almost down to our level. It's trying to break that level. Oh wow, it goes down there. We're going to buy that one because that's that was wild because it went down there so fast. This is kind of what I thought it was going to do. I've been watching it. This is a pretty strong line here. And that line is strong just right there. Nice little bungaloo. I guess it could go either way. Let's see, if you look at it in 30 seconds, I thought it was going to go down, but it took a while to go down. This could win because it shot down so stinking fast. You know, it shot down really fast, and I got underneath the line. So that line is kind of important. It's kind of an important line. It shot down there before. So as long as it holds that line, looks like it's playing with it now. It looks like it in 1 minute. It was a little early, and there is a little bit of a line right here. If you look over here, it's got one more lower line. So far, we have 52 seconds left. It's still bouncing off that line. Let's look at it in 10 seconds, see what we think is going to happen. In 10 seconds, it kind of set up a new level down here. Honestly, I think this could go either way. I mean, if I'm really lucky today, this wins. It might hit this one more time and just shoot straight up. See, again, it shot straight up. I'm really enjoying 30 seconds. Let's see if it can do this. It stays above this line. This is a massive line right here. This is the line that it hit last time it bounced. This time it floated slightly below that line. I want it to stay up there. I'm watching it in 10 seconds because I don't like the way it's bouncing. It's got 10 seconds left. It just needs to hold. I think it will. I think it could, unless it gets really funky. And I'll have my third win and I'll be stopping for today. Yes. Here we go. Third win for today. 38. So it's 1561. That was phenomenal. That was a great marker. I've been doing very well, guys, marking areas and giving myself a little idea of what I think is going to happen in that area. It shot straight through that line. Now shot straight through, and I just went ahead and took it because that line was a strong line for me. And now we are at 1561. 1561. We're at 2.72%. We're up 2.72%. So that's up $105. It's getting better. It's getting better and better and better. Up $105. So we're up totally 277%. We've grown the account by $2,913. Wow, in 90 days. 90 trading sessions. It wasn't really 90 days. I started this actually, it was a while ago. I mean, it feels like forever ago because it's been taking me a long time. I don't know where, I didn't put the date on this for the start date. 100-day tracking. Okay, it was June 24th. So June, July, August, September, October. So it's taken about 4 months. It's October 14th. June, so through July, August, September, October. So yeah, it's a little over 3 months, not 3.5 months basically in time. But I've gotten 90 sessions in, and I've been tracking very good. And see, it did exactly what I thought. It finally hit down to this line, and then it bounced up. It was delayed, but it still hit this line and jumped up. I knew it was going to hit this line and jump up. When it hit that line, it shot through that line, and it jumped up right there. Oh, that was a good day. Three trades up we're up 2.72% right here, up $100 profit. And that's how it goes. That is amazing. It's a good session. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the Social Trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.